Okay, hear me out. If I don't move, nobody can see me.
Don't blink, and hit like and subscribe to protect my invisibility.
See? Still here? Or am I? Science is happening.
Oh no. If someone sees me, the experiment is ruined.
If I can't see them, they definitely can't see me.
Ignore the tail. The tail is not part of me.
Hey, that was a ghost, right? Okay, fine. I might be slightly visible.
Invisibility is harder than it looks.
Next experiment, teleporting to the snack drawer.